But we're looking for some good news today, and Mangalam brings us that. Avenue Supermarts is a stock that's trading in the green. Mangalam, run us through some good news.
Well, Nigel, same time last Monday, the stock was lower. So that was bad news then. But now
you're giving us
the good news is coming this next Monday itself. The thing was that, when the company reported its quarterly update, 13% revenue growth, the street did not like that. They thought it's lower. But the sense one got that time was that maybe we have, realizations which are lower because of the GST cuts that have happened. And now that is confirmed in the numbers that are reported because margins have been a very positive surprise. Most on the street were working with an 8 to 10% revenue EBITDA growth after the company reported a 13% revenue growth. But the company has gone ahead and surprised. It's a 20% EBITDA growth and consolidated EBITDA margins where the street was expecting a compression has actually seen an improvement, and that improvement is gross margin led. So it means that there were lower discounts, and at the same time there was perhaps a higher share of revenue coming in from their own product labels on which the company has been fairly aggressive but not vocally so. Revenue growth, the management said, was partially impacted due to deflation in staples, but a 13.5% revenue growth on a consolidated basis does imply that there was 500 crore worth sales coming in from DMart Ready without an incremental EBITDA loss. That's a positive. And margins at around 8% with a net profit growth of about 18.3% as well. And the company last year had 16 million square feet in terms of retail space. Now that number's turned to 18 million. And average revenue per square foot hasn't fallen as much despite the realizations coming down. And the store additions have been positive as well. In the first 9 months of this year, they've added 27 stores. The street was working with a number of anywhere between 20 to 25. So store additions positive, margins positive. Two positives outdo the negative, which was revenue growth, which was obviously understandable and explained by the company.
Okay, all right, Mangalam, thanks a lot for that.